From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of waking up with a dry throat and itchy skin, wondering if your humidifier is actually doing its job? Well, I've got the solution for you, and it's called the LEVOIT Humidifiers for bedroom large room home. This thing is a game changer, and I'm about to tell you why. With its advanced sensors, it adjusts humidity levels to maintain a consistent and healthy environment, so you can say goodbye to dry air and hello to optimal well-being. It's also incredibly quiet, with a noise level of less than 30 decibels, which is basically whispers. I've been using this humidifier for a while now, and I can attest that it's powerful and efficient, providing 4 times faster humidification and relieving dry discomfort in no time. It runs for up to 60 hours, covering a large area, so you can enjoy the perfect humidification tailored for you. Plus, it's super comfy, with multiple modes to suit your needs, whether it's morning aromatherapy, family time, or sleep mode. And with the smart app control, you can monitor and adjust your home humidifier from anywhere, anytime, which is just amazing. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed. The LEVOIT humidifier is a cut above the rest, providing real results and a noticeable difference in the air quality. For instance, the air feels softer and more comfortable to breathe, and my skin doesn't feel dry and tight anymore. Plus, with the optional activated carbon filter, you can neutralize all stinky smells, from pet odors to cooking smoke, which is a total lifesaver. So, if you're looking for a reliable and efficient humidifier that will make a real difference in your life, look no further than the LEVOIT humidifiers for bedroom large room home. Trust me, you won't regret it. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.